Why and how ChatGPT got banned? क्या आप जानना चाहते हैं कि ChatGPT को आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं कि नहीं? यदि आप स्टूडेंट हैं या राइटर हैं, अपनी बुक ड्राफ्ट करना चाहते हैं या अपने 20s-30s में हैं, ऑनलाइन अर्निंग का सोच रहे हैं. So let's begin with the beginning of the end of ChatGPT. Then we will talk why and where it got banned. It all started in November 2022 when an artificial intelligence company called OpenAI launches a prompt called ChatGPT. ChatGPT can write an essay for your exam, it can code for your application or help you build your own website. Even I myself made a website on the topic financial wisdom, and the website handle named usanewswisdom.com. You can check it out on Google. I had developed my website using ChatGPT. What ChatGPT can do for you? It can explain complex topics like how rocket science works in simpler terms. You can create astonishing AI art that will be aesthetically pleasing too. It can answer your homeworks, assignment, questions, and whatnot. There are so many people earning using ChatGPT, be it a blogger, YouTuber, content writer, and many more. So jump on to next question. Why and where it got banned? College in Bangalore like Dayanand Sagar University, RV University prevented students from using ChatGPT. International Institute of Information Technology are exploring measures to prevent students from using ChatGPT prompts. Various AI prompts like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, Blackbox, and others. According to the notice issued by the Dean of CS branch of RV University, students are prohibited from using ChatGPT and other AI tools to produce and submit directly their original work assignment. The advisory also says for some work, a student will be explicitly permitted to use AI tools so that they can increase higher productivity and get used to work environment with such AI prompts will be allowed to use under circumstances. ChatGPT की जर्नी देखें तो काफ़ी रैपिड पेस पे ChatGPT ग्रो कर रहा है. In recent times, there has been exponential growth in social media platforms. For example, before ChatGPT, the fastest growing social media platform, TikTok, it takes 9 months TikTok to reach 100 million mark, and even Google takes more than 1 year to reach 100 million followers and users. 100 million users, and ChatGPT has accomplished this feat in just 1 month, and 100 million or more than 100 million users on a monthly basis. How big this change is, you can see from comparison. Like for Facebook, it takes 2 years to reach 100 million users. OpenAI prompt named ChatGPT has achieving on consistent basis more than 100 million users on monthly basis, and it has just ChatGPT has just started few months back in November 2022. So ChatGPT clearly एक रिवॉल्यूशन है AI की फील्ड में. यदि आप यूज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं ChatGPT तो डेफिनेटली यूज़ करिए. यदि आप एक राइटर हैं या ब्लॉगर हैं या यूट्यूबर हैं, आप अपने कंटेंट्स को लिख सकते हैं. आप अपने क्वेश्चंस के आंसर इन एफिशिएंट वे में आप पा सकते हैं. There has been a recent update on ChatGPT. It launches a paid version of itself called ChatGPT Plus, which costs $20 per month. But at the same time, there is a free version for all of you to use. Thank you for watching the video. Do hit subscribe button for more such videos on artificial intelligence, finance,